8. Top overflow troubleshooting method. First, find the location of the main board. You need to open the cabinet door. Open the door from the bottom with the key. Then press the blue buttons on both sides at the same time. Hold down and pull out. Remove the 2 screws of the side plate. After unloading, push and pull forward. Locate the main board. Start replacing the main board. Unscrew the screws at the 4 corners of the main board. Remember the original plug-in position. After replacing the main board, connect it back according to the original line position.